Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making a miniature strawberry chocolate cake from cold porcelain clay. I first begin by rolling out some brown clay using ice cream sticks to get the desired thickness. I then cut two circular pieces with a cutter. I use various brush tools to texture the sides like so. For the strawberries, I roll out small balls of red clay and make it into a conical shape. I then use a clay dotting tool and add texture all around each of them. After these are dry, I cut some of them into pieces like so. I then color the half-cut strawberries with acrylic paint. The cakes I also color with various shades of brown acrylic color. I then make leaves for the strawberries by rolling out small balls of green clay between my thumb and forefinger and then rolling them flat with my pointy tool. For the chocolate, I mix white glue, acrylic paint and corn flour. I then apply this mixture onto the base and stick the cut strawberries all around the edges. I do the same for the top as well and drip some off the sides as well. I also add the remaining strawberries on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.